Hi there. This week we're going to be finishing up our Chapter 2, the fundamental ideas behind calculus, which are the ideas of infinity, limits, and the derivative. We're also going to do Chapter 3, which we're going to begin to learn and use some of the derivative shortcut rules that's going to make our life a lot easier. Okay, so the purpose, generally calculus is the mathematical study of two big ideas. How do we precisely measure how complicated things change? And how do we precisely measure the total amount of a function over a range of values? Both these major branches of calculus use these sort of infinity ideas of infinity, limits, and derivatives. So having a good fundamental idea of those three concepts will help you in all of your study of calculus. Using the limit of the difference quotient to calculate derivatives is oftentimes difficult and time-consuming. So it's going to be great that we have these derivative shortcut rules that will enable us to find derivatives quickly and easily for most common functions. So some sticking points for Chapter 2. It's common to feel challenged by all of the algebra that's used to find limits and the difference quotient. Also, some students will need extra practice visualizing tangent lines, visualizing slopes of tangent lines, and visualizing the graph of the derivative function. For Chapter 3, difficulties often involve just trying to stay organized. We're going to have a lot of derivative formulas and derivative shortcut rules. I have on the screen here my reference chart of 20 of those derivative formulas along with some derivative rules. So there's a lot there. Remember, not only stay organized, but when you're using a reference sheet, don't just sort of use it passively. Write on it, put your notes on it, put words on there to remind you, oh, use this or do this, or write a different version of it if the letters that are used aren't the ones that immediately stand out for you. So remember, this is something you should have as a living document that's personalized for your use. Okay, reminders. Just please remember to complete each of this week's goals that are listed on Canvas. That is all of the WebAssign work, the lab assignment, the discussion section or the discussion thread, and also the weekly quiz. So please do all of those things. Please reach out if you have any questions or if there's something I can help you with. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And hopefully we can complete all of this week's assignments early so we can start working on the last bit of assignments before our upcoming midterm. All right. Have a good week. Hopefully I'll talk to you soon.